Mr. Tajuddin?
Yes, I can hear you. There's one more student joined in my meeting. Just now he messaged me. Rafi Kamran. Are you there, man?
Yes, I'm hearing.
How are you, man?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm so sorry, my internet is not working very well, so I'm connecting and disconnecting.
Yeah. There's always problem with the internet here also. So
Yeah,
here
because
no
the
internet
electricity is
problem.
not here, so that's why I take Wi-Fi from my another mobile.
Okay. Just now, I saw your message in Messenger.
Yeah. I sent you email.
Okay, email also you sent me. Good. No, I received your message.
Okay.
Tajuddin, sir, you can share your screen.
Yeah?
I said you can share your screen, sir.
See, now it's a question answer session, right?
Yeah. But actually, we have too much time for question and answer session, sir.
What a session, sir. No problem, because this session is very important. Hi, Rafi Kamran. How are you, man? I'm missing you. You can. I will show you my screen, man. My video. All you can see. You can see me. I am the teacher. Like I am the trainer for your today's training part.
Yes, nice to meet you, sir. How are you?
I'm missing you, man. I'm missing you.
Yes. As we miss you, sir. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine, man. All guys, we can see guys.
How is family? Everything is fine.
Alhamdulillah. Allah ka shukr.
That's great. Yes, I will.
All guys, can you see me, guys?
Yes, sir, we can see you.
Yes, sir, we can see you.
All guys, can you see me, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. There is
Yes,
some of my
yes,
colleagues,
Lot of-
Zabiullah, Iwaz Ahmadi, and some others are there. Our colleagues, we are at the same office.
They all are in the same office. MashaAllah.
Yes. Where are you, sir? You are here in Afghanistan or in India?
I'm in India now. Right now, I'm in India.
Okay, you was told I will come to Afghanistan.
Yeah,
I
let
thought
me
myself that you will
let me
become.
have some training, or inshallah, because now it is lockdown. Maybe another couple of months, 2-3 months, maybe once it's open. Okay, inshallah, I'll come to your country for training or anything.
Okay,
Okay,
you
guys,
leave the UTL, sir?
Now I leave the UTL. So now we have our company.
Okay.
Now we are
Kamran sahib.
my own.
Okay.
Yeah.
Avram,
So any
sir.
question? Any questions, guys?
وروره دا موضوع په پریده سره استاد په پریده چې سوالونه ټول ترې وکړي او بیا ان شاء الله اول به سره
صحیح مهرباني ده.
Guys, any questions? Or you understood everything? Now you became data center after this seminar.
ان شاء الله سر
Data center engineer.
ان شاء الله for them sir, but actually sorry, my field is marketing.
You are into marketing.
Yes sir.
Okay, no problem. May I know your name?
I am Ismat sir.
Ismat. Okay, no problem. Because you need to sell, because in data center, okay, you will be having a lot of application. We need to sell this application.
Inshallah sir.
Inshallah. And then any other people
I
like
hope so.
Zabiullah is there. Rafi Kamran. Any questions, man? You understood everything. You became data center engineer now.
Okay, sir, it was good.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a question. Sir Tajuddin, I have a question.
Yeah.
The question is, what if we face a power failure? And then what can we do in that case?
we can see on the screen. We can see on the screen for every power supply, you will be having the two links. Sorry, Ismat, please, if anybody asks the question, please ask them to mute it. A lot of interruption from your side. See, man. So one of the participants. And one of the participants asked the question, how this power failure? See, man, what happened? See, for every device, you'll be having the two LAN connectivity. If this will fail, this will come up. That is the advantage of
join each other.
Yeah. I hope that you received the answer.
Sir, I got.
Yeah. Yes, any questions, guys? Any other questions, guys? No questions?
Hello.
Yes. Any other questions?
Sir, this
Or
is
no questions?
Sir, this is Sufail Ahmed. How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm doing good.
How was the seminar, sir?
Yes, now because just now we started. Let me show you myself.
Okay. How are you, sir?
Because since I'm doing good.
Thank you very much.
Yes, I was busy today.
How was the participant? Wasn't interested? Wasn't participated correctly or not?
I think so because still now it is a question answer session. So what we'll do? Let me take some questions from the participant. We shall discuss later.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay.
There's a lot of
Okay, we will discuss
still
later.
25 participants are there.
Okay.
Guys, still we shall discuss later.
Okay.
Guys, 25
Sorry,
people
sorry,
are there.
sir.
Not even single question from your side. Only one guy asked the question.
Sir, please change the slides. Who have questions, they'll ask you.
Okay, which side? What question you want from here? Okay, well, do one thing.
Please.
Before you ask the question, okay, you tell me about your name and what is your job in your office. If anybody want to ask me the question, please ask me the questions, or in case, tell me your name and your job role.
Tajuddin, sir.
Yes.
Ask them to introduce themselves shortly in the chat box.
In the chat box.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But they have to ask me the question like the chat box. Still no one has been asked.
دوستانو که څوک سوال لري د استاد نه سوال وکړي او که سوال هم نه لري خپل ځانونه ډېر لنډ معرفي کړئ ځکه چې استاد په کار دی او دې ته ضرورت لري وروره.
What did he say?
I said if they have any questions, so they can ask in chat box and they can shortly introduce themselves, sir.
Guys, start introducing yourself.
Sir, my name is Muhammad Harun, and I have done a telecom engineering in Pakistan. Now I work as an IT engineer in Kandahar Governor House.
Okay, so what is your job?
Sir, I work as a IT officer in Kandahar Governor House.
Okay. So I received one question. It's a very good question asked by Zabiullah. Okay. Can we install 10 VMs in a server, but server has 2 ports? So how do you connect another VM? See, Zabiullah, see, we can install the one VM that inside will be have the virtual ports. That virtual port is connected. Okay. See, I'll show you one slide. This slide we can see. So each port, so each one is connected with each other inside, internally. Okay, so we'll be having a virtual port also inside. So no need to only one port will be one. Your question is good. You'll be having the one port, but inside we'll be having a lot of ports. Yes, any other question, guys? I hope the answer. I am Shafi Sharwan, working in IT department of Central Bank of Afghanistan. Okay, good. Shafi.
No, sir.
Shafia. Shafia, IT department of the Central Bank of Afghanistan. Okay, every day she will, he or she.
She, sir, she.
Okay, fine, good. Okay. Sorry, guys, because here Shafi is there, one of my friends. That's the reason I got confused with them. Okay, my name is Sadiq Fahad. Guys, I will do one thing. Rather than typing, I think, Rafiullah Kamra, I know you very well, man. You was my student. You was my student in India when you came to.
Yes, sir.
I know.
Yes, we were seeing each other there.
Why you are introducing yourself again?
For better understanding.
Mustafa, okay, good name. Study BCA and
Sir, I have a question.
University of Afghanistan.
Though the question is very easy, but maybe useful for the participants.
Sorry?
Sir, I have a question, though the question is very easy, but maybe meaningful for the participant. Sir, the question is, who can access the data center? Only the employees or others can also?
See, data center infrastructure can access only network engineer, data center engineer, and administrator, not all. And the employees who are working there, they can use its resource.
Okay.
Right. Say example,
Yes.
you are the head. You are the head of the family. You make money for your family, right? You make money to get the food to your family. Right?
Yes, sir.
So your child, your wife, your father, mother will not make work money. They work for money, right? Only if you work here, they will pay you money and it will be shared to all.
Yes.
Same thing, same like in data center, everybody, they don't have rights to access. Say example, best example is your Gmail, right? Gmail, just we can send the mail and receive the mail. That is your authenticity, right? What about Google, right? Gmail belongs to Google, right? And Google, they have the data center. We don't have the right now, I too, and you also don't have the access to data center. Same like this, for data center, nobody has the rights, but they can use the applications. Say example, your WhatsApp. Everybody
Yes,
they can use the WhatsApp. Everybody they can use the WhatsApp. But data center of the WhatsApp you cannot use.
Mm-hmm.
You cannot access. We can use the applications.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Welcome. Which is the best VM for the data center?
Okay.
See, virtual machine is we can go for any virtual machine. We have VMware, Oracle Virtual Box from Oracle company, and one more we have Citrix. They have their own virtual machines. We can go for anyone. But best what I feel, I think Zabiullah has asked me a good question. So best thing is I recommended to go for VMware. VMware is good. VMware is good. Okay, so one more question has got received from. Please change the slide if anybody have any questions. Farhad. Which slide do you? Okay, which slide? Which slide you want, man? I think Ismatullah will share you the slides, man. Don't worry.
Yes, sir. I will share with them.
Ismatullah will share to all the participants. So he will share to you all.
Inshallah, sir.
Yeah. So
actually,
Zabila, you which slide do you want? You want to see some slides? Okay. Azizullah Shafi. He's working in telecom. Azizullah, in telecom, what is your job role? You can unmute and you can speak to me. No issues.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
I'm fine. Is this Azizullah?
Yes, Azizullah. I'm working in a telecommunication company, as you know, MTN.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm TV now.
Yes. Sorry, I was late today for the class.
No issues. No issues. No issues.
I think 15 minutes. It's my pleasure to join this class.
And in your telecom department, do you know Hakib? Azizullah?
Well,
Can you hear me, guys?
what, sir?
I'm asking these questions to Azizullah Shafi. In telecom department, one of my students is working. His name is Hakib.
It's only, sir, I'm working in a company for service in customer care, sir. Hope you will know.
Customer care. Okay.
He
So any other questions, guys? Guys, rather than typing, if anybody want to ask the questions one by one, unmute your mic and you can ask me the question directly.
Assalamualaikum. Sir, this is Abdullah. I'm asking a question about VMware. How can back up the VMware or workstation with its Windows?
You want to take backup from VMware to Windows?
Oh,
yeah.
VMware with its Windows.
No. So first question I do not understand.
I say that
what you want to take backup?
On one server we have 10 VMware. If our server damaged, how can we back up from this all VMwares with its Windows that didn't affect our network?
with operating system.
Yeah, VMware with its operating system.
See, there is a NetApp. this is NetApp will be have the auto backup and manual backup.
Okay.
Okay. So if you go for manual backup, manually if you want to take the backup, okay. So we need to configure. We need to have this storage switch. In storage switch, if you connect it for all the servers, okay, you want to take a particular server name. As you know that for every server you will be having one IP address, right? So take that IP address, okay. So it will, you have to configure such a way that either you want auto or manually backup. If you take auto backup means you need to configure you want everyday backup, weekly backup, or yearly backup. And backup what you want. You want only data or you want entire backup. We can configure. We can do that. In a lot of application also is available.
Tajuddin, sir.
Yeah.
If you tell them for tomorrow's seminar, it will be also great. With Miss Ayan.
Yeah, guys. One more thing, guys. Can all of you can hear me, guys? Assalamu alaikum, guys.
Yes,
All of you.
yes.
Be active, guys. All of you had your breakfast.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I am not hearing anybody. My assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Walaikum assalam, sir.
No, I am not hearing properly, man.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum
Salam, sir.
barakatuh.
Okay, guys, I will discuss the few things, important thing, guys. Mr. Tofil Hamad and me, we have the company in India, and Mr. Tofil Hamad has got company in your Kabul. Okay, we have tie-up, we have to work together for training, for IT implementations, your telecom, IT, non-IT also, we are doing it. Okay, so I know, I think as per, here also I can see 5-6 students, also, my students, when they came to India, they learned. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you, right now we can go for online this training. This is a just seminar to awareness. What is this data center about? What is the technology you have attended right from the day one, from the cloud, network security, digital marketing, and today data center. This is just awareness. What are the devices it use? What is the advantage? And what is the disadvantages? Right? So still you not aware of how does it works, how to configure, how to practice it, how to do the more hands-on, right? So that's the reason, just to awareness, we are connecting this seminar. Okay, so once if you done with the seminar, okay, so I recommend you all the people to take the admissions. You can enroll, register yourself in your Kabul center. It's our center only, we can say. Okay, here right now we'll go for only online training from India. So as you know that no flights are running from many countries.
Yes.
Due to this COVID-19. Okay, no flights are, only few countries are running. I think from US few countries, and from UK, France, and few Dubai and Qatar, and another hardly 10 countries, not for all the countries. So it takes another 4 to 5 months. So what we have planned, me and Mr. Tofil Hamad Maqsood, what we have planned, let me have this online training. Before online training, so we have planned to have some seminar awareness of the people who are working in IT department in different organizations, a banking, a school, university, a different department. They should know awareness of this technology. Then they can decide, okay, so which technology I can able to understand, right? So example, I am the data center engineer, so I cannot become doctor, right? Right. Even if I learn also, it takes a lot of time. For me, it's not required. See, like this in IT industry, IT companies will be having different departments. Okay, network admin, system admin, network engineer, data center engineer. Okay, we'll be having a marketing department, sales department, different departments. So what I recommend you specialize in one technology, 1 or 2 maximum. So don't take more technology. This technology is good and that technology is good. I want to learn these things. But here from India will help you to give the best technology. As you know that we are the certified trainer from Cisco. So I'm certified trainer for the Cisco data center and cloud technology and VMware also, virtualizations. Okay, guys. So it's I have given the, we'll take you up to the lake, guys. We will take you up to the lake, okay, and will not force you to drink the water. It's up to you how much water you will drink on the lake. You understood, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes.
I don't know how many people have understood.
Shall everyone will go?
Okay. Okay, guys. One more thing, guys. And tomorrow there will be the data science seminar, which will be conducted by our madam, Mrs. Ismat Ayan, and she will be going to have the data science. So the data science is a very booming industry right now. It's a very huge demand. For every country, they require the data science. Just imagine, do you know how much data is increasing every day? Any idea, guys? I want to ask first to my student. I think Malali Alam also is there in my seminar. Assalamu alaikum, Malali Alam. And she's muted. You can unmute, you can speak. Rafiullah, for 1 second, throughout the world, we'll be having minimum 100 SATA bytes is increasing per minute. Understood, guys? 1 minute, okay, 100 SATA bytes. Just imagine for 100 days, what could be the data? Very huge, right? Then who is going to manage it? How we are going to manage it? We'll be having a lot of data, like medical healthcare data is there, industry data is there, personal data, photo, videos. Who is going to segregate that? Who is going to divide? What data you want? Okay, that is something you are going to learn how this data science is all about. So tomorrow our madam will be conducting at the same time, 9 o'clock. Okay, and she will be conducting. I think Malali Alam is meeting. So how many tomorrow also we can attend, guys, for data science? Tomorrow will be the last seminar we are going to conduct from India. Madam has got a good experience, more than 10 years. And she's also worked for a few companies. Her name is Ismat Ayan, and she's going to conduct the same time. Okay, any questions, guys, now?
Sorry, sir. I have a question.
Yeah.
Sir, when we are configuring, for example, we're configuring a domain controller, yeah? We're also configuring backup domain controller. If domain controller got down, the backup is automatically starts the service. Could we configure these controllers on virtual machines also?
Yes, yes, we can configure. See,
Okay, thank you.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. See here. Nowadays, we are not using the physical machine. All are VMs. Even the Central Bank of Afghanistan also, they are using the VMs. I know it, 100%. Because, you know, for one, you buy one, say example, if you have the laptop, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, you have the laptop. Okay, so if you install the VMware workstation, in that, you can install 2-3 servers. You can install.
Yes.
But thing is, your motherboard, your laptop should have that much capabilities. Like microprocessor speed, you must have more RAM. It required, I think, if you want to run 4 VMs, you must have minimum 16 GB RAM. If you are running 4 GB RAM in your laptop, okay, then you cannot run 4 VMs there, right?
No, sir. That my question was not that. My question, if, for example, we lost our first server, yeah, domain controller, automatically second server start the services of electricity failure or hardware problem comes and the server goes down.
Okay.
How we can do this backup in VMs also?
See, same thing I'd said, the same question asked by, I think, one of the guy here. See, that configuration will be done in two parts, auto and manual. Usually we'll do by auto only. Automatic you should take. One is failure, due to power failure, the server will go down and the second server will be come up. The service will start automatically, right? The service is available in LDAP and Active Directory in the server, in the Microsoft. If you are using Linux server, we will be handling LDAP. There we can activate. Okay, what service do you want to use? Okay, so this service is very important. This is very good question you asked.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yes, guys. So you have another 8 minutes to be asked the questions.
Sadia, do you have any question? Sir, we have limit time, about 8 or 7
You have, we have only 8 minutes time now.
Yes.
No questions, guys. I think in 2 hours you all became data center engineer now.
It's impossible, sir.
Huh?
It's impossible. Majuddin, sir?
Yes.
I said it's impossible, but in the next stations, in the future, inshallah, they will be.
Yeah, no issues, because I think some people, they don't know how to operate Zoom. Some people, they are on the video, and some people, they are using pillow and sitting like this. Right? It's this experience, we can learn from experience. Okay, so inshallah next time we'll come up with direct. We'll use another good app like Zoom or any Microsoft Meet.
Microsoft Team, yes. In future, we will use Microsoft Team. Yesterday, Mr. Arif told me, inshallah, in future we will use them.
Yes. And
so, sir, thank you for your nice speech and useful seminar. So, if there is no question, so we can
all of
finish
you,
the
no
seminar,
questions at all.
Yeah. So if you have any suggestion or comment,
shall I stop the screen here?
You can stop, sir.
Okay, so next sessions, like all they left the room or still they are live?
No, they are, sir. If you have any comments or suggestions, so you can tell them, sir.
Okay, I think Malala Alam, she messaged me. Sorry, due to the weakness of network, I couldn't catch you very well. Okay.
Sir,
No problem.
She can't talk as I think she's her job. So she can't talk as I think.
Yeah. No, she's not a network engineer, but she's working in different domain. No problem, Malala Alam. So next time, inshallah, tomorrow you sit because our madam is conducting. Ismat madam, you can join tomorrow. Share the slide. Okay, I think I had shared the slide also. You can see my slide, right?
Yes, sir.
I think Tamim Hamid is asking if you can share me the slides.
We will share with them, sir. No problem.
Yeah. And one more question I received from Hakimullah. Can we save PC data from the hackers? We can save it. So we can, because see, when you have the data on your PC, okay, we can take always backup. You take external drive, we can take copy from that, okay? And keep in mind, whenever you don't click on every link when you receive the mail, especially on your spam mails. Hikmatullah Hakimi. Keep in mind, whenever you got the mail in your Gmail account, especially in the spam mail, don't click on any link. In that link, they have designed the coding inside. Okay. again, once you click on it, it will ask you to allow the permissions. If you allow means your data he will collect your data. There's a lot of software available nowadays because hackers use different methods.
Just
I hope the answer for Hikmatullah.
PC2411, you have any question?
Yes, you are asking something.
Teacher, how to know this link?
Virtual Abdul Malik. See, Abdul Malik, he asked the question, virtualization is better option for many servers at least. See, virtualization is for all the servers, right? Virtualization for all the servers. Suppose if you buy the new server, you are spending $10,000. Okay, you want to install only Microsoft server in it? No, right? So what we'll do, in one server, if you buy, in that you can able to install Microsoft, Linux, Ubuntu, many servers you can install. Or else you can do one thing. You buy the server, say example, $5,000 server if you buy, okay? So one server you use it, install Microsoft server. In that Microsoft server, you can use it. Ask your friend to give some money and install your Linux server if he is using Linux server in your server. The server remotely, you ask him to access remotely. That also we can do it. Thank you, PC2411. Thank you so much, teacher. You are welcome, man.
Sir,
Yeah. My name is Ghulam Sakhi.
Ghulam Sakhi. Then why you mentioned PC2411?
I'm a hacker, teacher.
Huh? You are hacker.
Yeah.
Hacker.
sir,
You learned the CH, ethical hacking.
Yeah. And 2016, I participated a seminar on Bangalore, teacher.
Mashallah, good. And you learned this one, CH and CSSA.
And UTL.
UTL. You have not seen me there?
No, I see you, teacher. My name is Ghulam Sakhi. And
show me your video. I want to see your face.
Okay.
Sir, hackers don't show their face.
Because you have only 1 minute less, man. I want to see you fast.
When you click on the start video, teacher, you cannot start your video because the host has been stopped.
Yeah, you can start the video.
Because we have very less time, man.
You can see
less
him.
than 1 minute.
You can see him, Tajuddin.
You can see me, teacher?
Now I remembered. I have seen it. But you are into different trainer, I think. Yuvraj or
Yuvraj is my teacher.
Yes, Yuvraj, yes.
Yeah.
Yuvraj is your teacher, correct.
So we have
now I remember.
Within 1 minute, so we have.
Okay, guys. So thank you very much for my seminar, class seminar. So inshallah, I hope you learned something basic, at least about data center technology. So inshallah, tomorrow, Madam Data Science, she will be handling the data science, which is more and also very interesting. Okay. So see you. Take care. All the best for your future, guys.